In this video, I will show you how refrigerant cycle looks like in Inova heat pump. So here we have Copeland compressor, can be Copeland and can be Mitsubishi. So both types. Grundfos pump, really big pump. So UPM 4XL, 9 meter of head. So really good, really big pump. 2 expansion valves. So this is important because you can manage refrigerant cycle quite good when you have 2 expansion valves. Usually there is only one. In cooling and in low temperature in heating, you can manage refrigerant temperature so you don't have so high capacity drop. Evaporator, which is not usual that you have evaporator on the front side, and on the back side here it's fan. So really low noise level, because usually noise is always coming from the fan. What else we have here? 4-way valve, high pressure, low pressure sensor. Important to mention that this is R290 and we have different pressures than in R32. So around 26 bar is high pressure sensor. It's approximately 70 degrees. And 4 bar is low pressure sensor. Also regarding expansion valve, so this is on magnet. So this magnet is controlled by PCB. Generally how every refrigerant cycle works. Plate heat exchanger here. So refrigerant is going in plate heat exchanger and transferring heat to water. Air vent, so it's not plastic because of R290. From compressor, we have suction of compressor. So you can see here that this is scroll compressor because suction is going here. Discharge is going into 4-way valve and then is deciding if it's in heating or in cooling. It's going to evaporator to outdoor heat exchanger or condenser plate heat exchanger in heating. In cooling, it's opposite because 4-way valve is switching the circuits. This is more or less everything. So refrigerant cycle, how it looks like. Most of the components are from Europe, so European product with quite good performance.